Hello everybody. So I'm Heather Midori Yamada and I'm giving us a short preview of what I'm going to be showing this weekend as a part of the Fairfield Artist Studio Tour. So over here we're going to start looking at some of my floral paintings, mixed media, on Japanese paper. So I'm using acrylic and watercolor and watercolor pencil and metallic acrylics on a beautiful paper, Seichosen Yotsuban washi. So these are the next few things I'm going to be showing us are all on different Japanese papers. So the next one is on a Gampi Udaban, also a Japanese paper. You can tell by the ground here, this is a much more toned ground as this. So the different Japanese papers come from different fibers, so their natural color is, off-white, a little bit more ecru. So in this one, same thing. It's watercolor, mostly acrylic, on the Gampi Udaban. So I'll show you the contrast here. This actually is a giclée of a watercolor that was done on papier arche, and this particular one is on a canvas. So you can see that the aesthetic is quite different. Very, very bright. You can see the effects of the wax. So the Japanese paper, in this case, will give you a more subtle rendering, in terms of the tone, close tones. So a different kind of aesthetic than the watercolor. I'll show you a couple more. So this is in the same grouping. And then we'll move over here. So once again, so in this case there's a bit of the Japanese sumi ink, and that gives you the darker lines and tones, and acrylic, and including metallic acrylic. Okay, and I'll show you the last one here of this series so far. So in this case, a much more kind of pastel reading of what's going on, but the same energetic in terms of feeling of water and wind and movement. So this Saturday I will be giving a demonstration at 2 p.m. during the event, and that will be in the upper hall upstairs of my studio building, which is 600 Richmond Street at Richardson. So please come by. It's free entrance both to the demonstration and to the art show.